Here at least it's flat. Oh man, it's trippy. It looks like blood. We're here at the old Pack Horse Bridge, right there behind me. Got some photos from as close to the water as I can, stones as sort of foreground element leading up to the bridge itself. Then I flew the drone, FPV rips up and down the river, get nice and low to the river surface. And then on the second battery, I did some split S's. Pretty sketchy because you got a lot of speed coming over and there's a lot of trees and some power lines on this way. But just got my flights down, didn't crash, got all the dope footage. From here, we're heading back to Loch Garton. It's gonna be our sunset spot. You can get some mountains in the distance. About 7 a.m. we're headed to a place called Loch an Eilean. It's a lake, loch, how they call them here. Kind of like the one yesterday, except there's a little island with a castle in the middle. Sunrise location because it faces south. Really the only thing close by here, so it was the only option. And then from there we're gonna keep on going straight to Fort William. We're here at Loch an Eilean. It's the castle there pictured behind me, or actually the name of the lake technically. Shooting sunrise. Had some nice colors coming up here, a little bit before, a little bit after the sun kind of got more behind the mountains. I was hoping that it would clear the mountains, but that would take forever because this is Scotland in the winter and it never really goes high up in the sky. But I got some cool shots at that end of the lake. Came over to this side where we can see the castle right here behind me. Got some FPV stuff, got some regular drone stuff. I'm here at the Skyfall waterfall, right there behind me. Got a time-lapse set up, been picking out some photos, some of the waterfall itself, some of these mountains in the distance, because it's pretty much been raining all day, or since we got here, like a light sprinkle, not too heavy rain, just enough that I can't fly the drones. And on the way driving here, scouting out the location, I saw numerous of these slightly inclined waterfalls, which are like the best for FPV flying, because anything too steep, it's like a quick drop. But with the smooth incline waterfalls, it's kind of like a cruise downwards. So we're definitely coming back here tomorrow morning, hoping that the weather is better. I'm here at Kilchurn Castle, right there behind me. There has been numerous rain showers coming through here. It's been extremely annoying, but I've got some cool shots closer down by the water's edge, some stones as leading lines. That was my camera cover just flying away. Trying to keep things dry, sort of under a tree right here. But as I said, there's been numerous rain showers coming through, so I gotta have to like wait, take the shots, kind of try to cover up my gear. My backpack and my jacket is fully soaked, but it's sort of what I was expecting. I'm here at Finnich Glen. I just climbed out of the Devil's Pulpit Gorge. Pretty sketchy to get down there. There's actually some stairs on this side, which is the proper way of doing it, and then walking along the ledge. You have to roll up your pants, take your shoes off. It's cold water, pretty cool because it looks like blood. But then you get to the Devil's Pulpit, you got a few selfies, got some photos down there. To be honest, I like the shots over at the other side that we went to first, the side we went to accidentally. But overall, pretty cool location. And that is pretty much a wrap for this trip out here in Scotland. Super epic location. Kind of reminds me of the Pacific Northwest. There's a big variety of, waterfalls, mountains, hikes, beaches, coastlines, gorges like this one I just climbed out of. Really a lot to see out here in Scotland. From here we're going to Glasgow last night and then flying tomorrow morning. Hopefully we get all the COVID papers in line. But anyway, this is a wrap from out here in Scotland, and I will see you guys in the next episode.